DMC made carbon fiber side mirrors for the brand new right-hand drive C-Class. Hi guys, thanks for tuning in again, and today is a very short video but a very special product. The C-Class, the W205 series, has received a couple of iterations recently, a couple of updates, but it has basically been around for a while. DMC by ourselves, we showed you the car in the Geneva car show in I think it was in 2016. We've been tuning AMG car models now for a while. Now the side mirrors themselves, they don't look like something worthwhile of a video, but these actually are. Even though it's quite a special market, the right-hand drive model of the C-Class has not yet had side mirrors in carbon fiber for a while. We have had a look at this for quite some while. Side mirrors are not typically one of the products we focus on when we develop. You know, we're famous for supercars, and we do love the AMG series, of course, and we do make side mirrors for Lamborghinis, Ferraris, etc., McLaren. But we were actually waiting for someone else to develop the side mirrors for the C-Class. And of course there are side mirrors for the W205 C-Class, but not yet for the right-hand drive. So we've been waiting 5 years now. We took action into our own hand, and right now I have good news for everybody who has a C-Class W205 in a right-hand drive country. That could be Japan, Hong Kong, Singapore, Thailand, of course the UK, Australia and Canada. Probably I should have reversed the whole lineup of countries, but you know what, as you guys know, we have a very strong follower base in Asia. It doesn't matter. If you have a car, right-hand drive, W205, the waiting is over. You have to wait no longer. DMC is making full carbon fiber casings. These are not just caps that add on. These are beautiful carbon fiber casings that replace for your OEM part. And I'm sure while you're looking at this video, we're already showing you videos and photos installed. Of course, as usually, these parts are available in visible carbon fiber pre-pack as well as forged carbon fiber. I really hope you like these parts a lot, and they are ready in our online shop, or you can get them through our regular channels, our registered authorized dealers. Go get them right now. If you have a W205 C-Class series, no matter coupe or sedan, I think you should have these products on your car, especially if you love carbon fiber. There's another video coming very soon about a forged carbon fiber package that we launched for the C43, a very special AMG model, but more about later on. I'm just giving you a little information. This is coming very soon. This is so much for today. Just telling you, DMC now has the right-hand drive side mirrors for the W205 C-Class made of carbon fiber. These are really an awesome product. Again, go get them right now. They're in our online shop. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video. You know the drill. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Click that like button, depending on the platform where you're watching this. Leave some comments. Let us know what you liked or didn't like about the video. And of course, give us improvements. Let us know how we can improve so we can give you a better content in future. Let me say thank you so much one more time for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. DMC Live. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video here today. You know, we did upload actually quite some videos over the past few years. Maybe there's something you would like as well, maybe this video here or this. And if you haven't done so yet, kindly help us to subscribe to the channel. You can do that up here, so that we're going to see you next time with more DMC content. Let me say thank you so much for watching one more time. Until next time, bye for now.